Yes, and the good news is we're seeing a lot of breaks out there, not much, just a few showers and thunder showers around, dropping some heavy rain. But the concern I have now is that we're also seeing breaks that cause the atmosphere to start heating up, and that could actually help to aid in further development as we go through the afternoon hours. You can see some heavier showers and storms moving just to the south of Harlingen there, moving on towards the northwest. Earlier had some heavier showers and storms there across portions of southern and southwestern Hidalgo County. Those have since moved off and beginning to dissipate. So we're not out of the woods yet, but at least there's been a little bit of a break out there. The flood warning for southern Hidalgo County, southeast Hidalgo County, southwestern Cameron County has been extended now until 12:30. I think it'll probably go beyond that. And then we do have the flash flood watch. It remains in effect for all the counties here for the entire valley. That's the dark green on the map there. That's until 8 o'clock this evening for the continued threat of some more of those showers and thunderstorms across the area. And anything that does develop will drop some brief heavy rain. You can pick up a half to an inch of rain or even more in a heartbeat. Highs today expected to be in the mid and upper 80s, close to 90 if possible in some areas that see a little bit more sunshine here. But this is way below normal. We should be in the mid upper 90s at this time. So here's FutureCast. We're going to start at 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can see a couple little showers and thunderstorms on the map here, and a lot of clouds still hanging around as well. This is now about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we go now to about 4, 5 o'clock or so. And you can see it's not a lot out there. We keep a lot of clouds around, though. Anything that does develop tends to kind of dissipate a little bit in the overnight hours. Then we expect to see that pick up again during the day tomorrow. And again, rain chances stay high all the way through that period. So for today, half an inch to an inch of rainfall is possible. That would be kind of the average for any showers and storms that develop. However, one of the heavier ones, they still can drop 1 to 3 inches in a very short period of time. So that's the reason why we still have that flash flood watch in effect for the entire Rio Grande Valley. Again, that's until 8 o'clock this evening. Out in the tropics, so now we're just getting over Hannah. Now here comes another one. This system right here, 90% chance of development over the next couple of days. If it develops, and I want to see if I can get this right. This is probably the most difficult named tropical storm I've ever seen. Isaias is what the name will be if it develops as it moves off towards the west-northwest. Other than that, the Atlantic is pretty quiet. The Caribbean is quiet right now, and the Gulf of Mexico is quiet as well. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. The weekend always in view, and we got the rain chances still high for today, for tomorrow, going into Wednesday, and then that's when we'll start to see things taper off somewhat. We've got isolated showers and thunder showers for Thursday and Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday pretty much dry, and that's when things start to heat up again. So here's what we're going to be dealing with. Of course, the aftermath, all the flooding, etc. Then we're going to see the temperatures start to heat up, and the heat index values is going to be a problem. What it feels like, we're going to be pushing 1 as we go into plus, as we go into. This is what happens when you get a ton of rain out there.
Yeah, and so definitely there's still some flooded areas, so even that location could get a little bit more rain, especially with those bands that you say are here.
And this is going to be for today. Tomorrow we still have a good shot at some more of those tropical downpours, so everybody needs to be aware.
All right, thank you so much, Jim.